Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Bileaf 8 Packs Passion Twist Crochet Hair. A game changer for anyone looking to achieve stunning hairstyles with ease. Made from 100% high-quality low-temperature synthetic fiber, this pre-looped and pre-twisted crochet hair can be installed in just 30 minutes, making it perfect even for beginners. Each pack weighs only 1.2 ounces, with all 8 packs totaling a mere 10 ounces, ensuring a lightweight feel that's far more comfortable than traditional passion twist hair. Handmade by professional braiders, this 10-inch hair is not only lightweight and super soft but also tangle-free, offering a natural and stylish look that won't unravel or become fuzzy. Available in 9 different sizes and 18 vibrant colors, including the classic 1B, this hair provides endless styling possibilities. Each package includes 8 packs, a crochet hook, and a total of 96 strands, which is more than enough for a full head of beautiful, bohemian crochet hair. So, if you're ready to transform your look effortlessly, the Bileaf Passion Twist Crochet Hair is your go-to solution for achieving that perfect, head-turning style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.